Hi guys, so today we're going to be making pancakes. Don't forget to subscribe down below and hit that link. So now let's get started. So first we have to mix the dry ingredients. So first you need 1 1/3 cups of flour. Pour flour. And now you need 3/4 cups of sugar. Okay, so let's pour the sugar in. Okay, now we need 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Okay, now let's pour the baking powder in. And now 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Okay, now we're supposed to mix the dry ingredients together before we add the wet ingredients. Make sure it's all nice and mixed. Make sure you mix it really good. Okay, now we're gonna add the wet ingredients. 1/4 cup of veggie oil. So let's pour the veggie oil. Now we need 1 cup of milk. You can use almond milk and you can use regular milk. I'm using almond milk. Okay, now we need 1 egg. Now we're going to mix it up and mix it up. First, let me get my hands like. I'll mix it. Now we gotta try to mix it really good. You really want to mix it very good. You don't want to see any yellow parts. Okay, now once you mixed it good, it goes onto the stove. Okay, so while my dad's getting the pancakes onto the stove, don't forget to hit that link down below. It's quick. Doesn't take long, so hit that like button in 3, 2, 1. Make sure to subscribe down below and give us a big thumbs up. Okay, now my dad's putting it on the stove, so we're gonna try to move it closer so you can see it from a good angle. Now we're onto the stove, so now we need to add butter. Like spread it out a little bit. My dad spread it out. Okay, now we have the pancake mix, and now we're gonna pour some pancake mix in. My dad's gonna pour the pancake mix. It's gonna get a little hot where we're at. I'm going to be flipping the pancake. Just make sure that you don't touch the stove. It's going to be hot, but it's going to be good. We're going to wait until the top starts bubbling. Okay, it might take a few minutes or 2.
It's ready to flip.
And
Flip it fast.
Smushed it a little bit.
Not bad, not bad.
And we have tiny pancakes cooking. Tiny pancakes, get it? Because there's like a little bit of the mix, and they're tiny pancakes. Yeah. So that's how the pancake
You
is.
can flip that little one.
This one?
Yep.
It's funny.
How do you think it's going?
Good.
Yeah.
It's just funny that we're cooking. Tiny. They're so tiny.
How's it taste?
It tastes good.
Yeah. Came out pretty good. Not bad.
Not bad.
Alright, anything you want to say to your fans before we go?
Yeah. Okay, don't forget to subscribe down to our channel. Give us a big thumbs up. And don't forget to donate some money so I can give away those fidget spinners. Okay, bye.